Struggling with a garage door that won't open or close? This frustrating issue could stem from problems with the opener, remote control, sensors, or even a simple power outage. If you're in the Helensburgh area and need quick, reliable repair, call us at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is here to diagnose and fix the problem swiftly, ensuring your garage door operates smoothly again. Don't wait. Get your garage door back on track today with expert service you can trust.